Yeah, I know I'm crazy. I decided to jump back on because y'all didn't get to see the powder, and I got a little bit of juice left, so I thought, why not? I wanted to show y'all a couple of tips, and I see a hair off of my brush. This is the copper, and this is the bronze powder. And I wanted y'all to see what happened whenever you put the Patina activator spray. This is the green. And see how that oxidizes. The lighting really is bad out here, and then this is the bronze. You can kind of see how it did, and then I like the run, so I just let it do its own thing. Is that not just cool? And then here's a pretty big spot up here, but it really acts very fast. And another tip, let me go ahead and spray these so that they'll be doing their thing. And sometimes I may want this look right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the copper metalsmith paint, and I'm going to dry brush. You can see how my brush is here, and then I'm just going to take it and see what that does where that rough area is. I really like this look. So I just make sure that I offload my brush, and then I'm going to come back and hit that edge just a little bit there because I wanted a little bit more copper added in. And I may skip down a little ways. I may come over to the rough edge here, and that's a little bit damp, but that's okay. That look is fine. And then something else that I might do is I will use the, hey Sandy, how are you? I may use Miss Lillian's bronze, the gilding jewel, and just a little bit. See how that adds that color right there? That's a little damp. So I'll scoot over here where it's dry. But you can kind of see I'm just adding just a little bit of color there to give it a little bit of dimension. And I may want to add just a little bit there. I may want to add some right there on the edge. And I don't normally ever hold my phone, but I don't have a choice right now. So y'all just have to bear with me if my phone's not keeping up with the finger here. Okay, that is kind of a couple of the tips that I wanted to show y'all, and I just love this right here, that color. Isn't that pretty, that really teal color? But let me back up just a little bit, and the lighting is really hard for me to tell what y'all are seeing because of the shadows, but it was just so nice to be working outside today. Don't ever really get a chance to do that, but this really turned out great here. So anyway, I just wanted to jump back on. I didn't get to finish a minute ago. For one thing, it was a little loud out here, so I didn't know if y'all could hear everything going on. So I am gone and got to get this finished. I will see y'all later. Have a blessed day, y'all. Bye.